Hey Anna, so here it goes. This is your homepage. So pretty much Yoast is not giving you a good grade for this. Apparently it's poor because it's not actually an actual blog post or one of your about us pages. It's actually your front page. What I suggest you do is actually write a paragraph for each keyword down here. Something that would, whoever's reading it, that would want to click further into your website. So pretty much this becomes your landing page, and so you could write whatever you need to write to that you think that will help them, entice them to click further into your pages. And so for this, I would then, you know, make paragraph for each one of these. So this is your keyword here. There's another keyword here, and there's another keyword here. So you got like 3 keywords you're trying to hit, and you're added the cities. It's basically a typical thing I see in a lot of websites from photographers. So you could do that, and that should help you. Your Yoast here, it won't be green since you're targeting 3 keywords, right? It won't be green. It'll be green for one of the keywords, but it will not be green for all keywords. But however, if you put a paragraph for each one, and that should do it. And you don't really need a link here. It's totally fine if you don't. A lot of this Yoast things is just it's good to follow, but make sure you don't overdo the keywords, because too much keywords will definitely hurt you. I like one of the members putting down a sprinkle. That's probably the best description I could think of. A sprinkle of keywords is best. Don't overdo it, because that will just hurt you in the long run. Let's see. And so for your homepage, don't worry about having a poor SEO from Yoast. As long as you do, like I said, one paragraph for each keyword, I think that would help you more in the long run than just writing it the way it is. And that's basically I'm gonna tell you now. If you need any more help, let me know, and I'll help you out. All right. So another thing I'm looking at, since I'm already in your website, um, for your URL here, it's always best to just keep the keyword that you want. For instance, for this here, you don't really want details. You just want, if family session is your keyword, just leave it as family session. I don't think family session, to be honest, is actually a keyword that most people type in the Google search bar. And so I would change this to something else. So if you Google family portraits with an S, plural portraits, family portraits actually is more people search that than anything else. So if you change this to family portraits, um, and then make sure you put something in between, like R is that it's actually would be beneficial for your keyword, because if you put another description here after your keyword, you're actually your keyword changes to family session, from family session to family session details. So you'll be number 1. You most likely you will be in first page for this keyword, because you added a description right after it. So you have to put SR, or you could actually put this bar in between, so that it tells Google, hey, you know what? there's a separation between this keyword and this word, and so it tells Google that you are, it's basically the keyword that you're trying to target is this, not the whole three words. And so you would, if your keyword is family portraits, let's just say, let's keep the family sessions, right? If that's your keyword, I would say in full details. That's what I would do, right? So you have something in between a description. To be honest, between your keyword and another word. So if you have is in that, or like of the bar I told you, that would help Google know that this is what you're trying to target. But you'll definitely, and then so with this keyword, you then have to add it somewhere in the H1. And if it's 500 words or less, 300, I would just put it in the first paragraph, and then I would put the same keyword in the last paragraph. I wouldn't do more than that. I think what you wrote here is pretty good, and so that hopefully Google will pick it up and think that it's something useful, beneficial to the readers. That's my 2 cents. It would be up to you if you want to follow it or not, but I think that it'd help you in the long run if you actually use the right keywords.